You are developing a chatbot for a website and need to implement a requirement that the chatbot must answer users' questions based on the information in the following documents: a frequently asked questions list on a PDF file, a product troubleshooting guide in a Microsoft Word document, a frequently asked questions list on a webpage. Which service should you use to process the documents? The options are A. QnA Maker, B. Language Understanding, C. Azure Bot Service, D. Text Analytics. The correct answer is QnA Maker. This service is designed to create a question and answer knowledge base from documents such as FAQs and troubleshooting guides. It allows you to upload and process documents to build a knowledge base that the chatbot can query to provide relevant answers. Detecting a change in hospital infection rates is a scenario of conversational AI. True or false? The correct answer is false. Conversational AI generally refers to technologies like chatbots, virtual assistants, and other systems that can simulate human conversation. These systems are designed for tasks involving natural language processing and understanding, such as customer support, virtual assistants, and similar applications. Detecting changes in hospital infection rates would typically involve data analysis, statistical methods, and possibly AI techniques like machine learning, but not conversational AI specifically. So, the correct answer is likely false. You are testing a machine learning model. How should you split data for training and evaluation? The options are A. Use features for training and labels for evaluation. B. Randomly split the data into some rows for training and remaining rows for evaluation. C. Use labels for training and features for evaluation. D. Randomly split the data into columns for training and columns for evaluation. The correct answer is randomly split the data into some rows for training and remaining rows for evaluation. The correct way to split data for training and evaluation in a machine learning context is to randomly divide the dataset into two parts, one for training the model and the other for evaluating its performance. This ensures that the model is tested on data it hasn't seen during training, providing an unbiased assessment of its performance. Your team member is planning to use the form recognizer pre-built receipt model. Which kind of SEO resource should you recommend to create? The options are A. Face service, B. Form recognizer, C. Computer vision. The correct answer is Form recognizer. Form recognizer is a specific Azure service designed to extract and analyze data from documents, including receipts, invoices, and other forms. The pre-built models are tailored for common document types like receipts. Select the correct use case from provided scenarios for classification. A. Predicting how many cups of coffee a person will drink based on how many hours the person slept the previous night. B. Predicting how many minutes it will take someone to run a race based on past race times. C. Predicting whether someone uses a bicycle to travel to work based on the distance from home to work. D. Analyzing the contents of images and grouping images that have similar colors. The correct answer is predicting whether someone uses a bicycle to travel to work based on the distance from home to work. In machine learning, classification is a task where the goal is to assign an item into one of a set of predefined categories. This involves predicting discrete labels such as yes, no, true, false, or categories like cat, dog. Your website uses a chatbot to assist customers, and it need to detect when a customer is upset based on what the customer types when interacting with chatbot. Which type of AI workload should you use? The options are A. Regression, B. Natural language processing, C. Anomaly detection, D. Computer vision. The correct answer is natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through language. It's ideal for understanding and analyzing text to detect emotions or sentiments. You are authoring a language understanding, Louise, application to support a music festival. You want users to be able to ask questions about scheduled shows, such as, which act is playing on the main stage? The question, which act is playing on the main stage, is an example of which type of element? The options are A. An intent, B. An utterance, C. An entity, D. A domain. The correct answer is an utterance. In a language understanding, Louise, application, an utterance is a specific way a user might phrase a question or statement. Intents represent the user's goal, while entities are specific pieces of information extracted from the utterance. Select the correct scenarios where you will use the form recognizer service. Select two correct options. The options are A. Extracting the invoice number from an invoice, B. Identifying the retailer from a receipt, C. Finding image of product in a catalog, D. Translate a form from French to English. The correct answers are extracting the invoice number from an invoice and identifying the retailer from a receipt. Form Recognizer is designed to extract text and data from forms, such as invoices and receipts, but it doesn't handle tasks like finding images or translating text.